Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of YesStyle app. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this window here you will scrolling down until you find the application of YesStyle. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.